channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shuchetana and I make content related to beauty, makeup and lifestyle. And if you are interested, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell just next to it so that you don't miss any update. And now let's move on to the video. So by the title of today's video, you guys know this is going to be another tutorial, and this is going to be a tutorial on this no makeup look. Now you must be thinking why I am wearing this bold lip shade, because I want to show you can keep the base like a no makeup base and change the lip options according to your liking. So I have showed how you can use two lip options and use the same makeup base, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. So yeah, please keep on watching. So because today we are doing a makeup look where the base is going to be the hero, the most important part of this makeup look would be prepping up the skin really well. What I have done is I have washed my face with a face wash and used a toner, and after that I have used a really nice moisturizer, and after that now I will move on to the makeup. So for this makeup look, the skin prepping is very important because we want a skin-like finish. We want the skin to look healthy. We don't want it to be very cakey or anything of that sort. So for that, we do need to prep our skin really well. So yeah, that is the most important part. I have done that off camera and I told you all. So whenever you are doing a makeup look like this is the first step that is to be done. Next, we would move on to the primer, and for primer today I am using this Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Primer, and you can use primer according to your skin concern. Like if you want a pore filling primer, if you want a hydrating primer, if you want a matte primer. Since I do have a oily combination skin, I would go for a Matte Plus Poreless Primer, and this is a very nice primer. You can definitely give this one a try. Next, I would move on to my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. You can definitely go for a BB cream if you want a really nice subtle coverage, but I do want the coverage, but I do not want it to be too cakey, so I'll go for a very light finish today. And this foundation is buildable, so I will be using a very little amount of it so that it gives a very nice skin-like finish. And what I am doing is I am using this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer because this would give a very nice glow to my face, and I'll mix this with my foundation itself and apply both of them together. So you can see the base is looking really nice, and there's a nice glow on my face as well. I would not be powdering much today, but I'll use this Faces Compact to set a few areas of my face where I think it might crease, and that's it. I am not going to use the compact on the whole of my face. And yeah, that's it. Next comes a very important part of this makeup look, and that is a makeup fixer. Now I will apply this makeup fixer. This is from Swiss Beauty, and I'll apply it to make my base long lasting, and of course the finish is also going to be really nice because of this. So yeah, now I'll apply this. Now obviously I'll do my brows, and that I do off camera, so I'll do that and be back. I'm done with the brows as well. We are done with the base, we are done with the brows, and that is the purpose of this makeup look. I want this to keep this as a no makeup look because I have got requests from a number of people who wants to keep it that way, and they do not like doing a lot of eye makeup or anything of that sort. But I will put some colors to my face, like I'll show it to you all, and that is going to look extremely natural. So yeah, that is the purpose of the whole look, and I hope you guys are going to like it because I personally love it. And I have done this a lot of times where I have not done a lot of things but also done a lot of things, but people think I have not done a lot of things. I hope that makes sense, and if not, then please go through it again. So I am using the Swiss Beauty palette number 01, and I am taking this light brown shade and I'll just apply it all over my crease, and that's about it. Just for a nice flush of color. I will apply that on my lower lash line as well. Now I will apply a very thick coat of mascara to finish off the eye makeup, which is minimal and not at all visible, but that is how we want this to look like. So yeah. To give a nice fresh glow to the face, I would apply a little bit of blush. It's better if you use a nude colored blush or a peach blush. That would seem very natural and look really nice. Apply it in a very little amount. And now I will apply very little amount of highlighter. That is very unlike me, but yeah, for the sake of this sort of look, I will apply very little amount of highlighter. I'll use my hand to apply the highlighter. I'm using the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. And the no makeup base is done, and that is how it's looking. I really like how the base looks very dewy and fresh, and it's looking really nice, I feel. And if anybody wants to keep it this way, they can keep it this way. They can apply just a little bit of lip balm and they are good to go. If you want to apply lip shade, you can apply a nude lip shade, or if you want to keep the base really subtle like a no makeup look and apply a very nice dark bold lip shade, you can also do that. And for that I will definitely show you two lip options, one a nude lip color and one bold lip color. So yeah, first I'll apply the nude lip color. For the nude lip shade, I'm using this NY Bae Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mugs and Hugs. I have wore these huge silver earrings with this look because I wanted to give a little bit of Indian touch to the look, to show that you can wear this look on any occasion during the daytime. So yeah, this is the option with the nude lip, and yeah, this is the finished look. So this was the nude lip option, and now I will apply the bold lipstick as well and show you how this nude no makeup look looks with a bold lip shade. So yeah, let's apply the bold lipstick now. And for the bold lip shade, obviously I am going to wear my most favorite bold lipstick, one of my most favorite bold lipstick, that is the NY Bae Liquid Lipstick in the shade Tame the Charging Bull. So yes, let's see how the makeup looks with this bold lip shade. How the bold one is looking, and I am always a bold lipstick girl, and yeah, I even loved the nude one a lot. So do let me know which one did you like more, because I feel just the change of lip shade made this look so much different. And yeah, do let me know which one did you like the most. And yeah, this is the finished look. So that was it about today's video. I hope you guys liked this no makeup look with two lip options. You can go for any of them. Hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family. That would mean a lot to me. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of content on Instagram as well. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, I would put the link of my Instagram handle in the description below. You can check it out from there and follow me on Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and lots of love. Bye.